How does attorney Seaver communicate with you as my client during a DCF investigation in Massachusetts? It's a simple question. How I communicate with my clients is with clarity and clearness. When a client is confused, lost, and feels overwhelmed, we all lose. Because the client that feels confused is unable to communicate. And you gotta keep things simple, easy, and user-friendly. And I strive to have a simple step-by-step approach, guided plan that anyone can follow, including me. I believe in keeping things simple. And we don't keep things simple, then we all lose. We all will not be successful. I've found with clients that when they communicate with me, I ask them to write their questions down ahead of time. And why is that? Not to bust their cookies, but more importantly, so that if they took the time out of their schedule to call me, which I appreciate, I want to make sure that we hit the mark, that we get everything out of that phone call, that we squeeze the lemon and get the lemonade. If they're calling me, write down your questions. And then when you call me, Attorney Seaver, I got 3 or 4 or 5 questions, and I'll sit there and I'll listen to them and I'll answer them. And then if they tell me they got 5 questions, they only ask me 3, I'll say, hey, I answered 3 questions. What's question 4 and 5? Oh yeah, I got question 4. I want open communication. I want communication that is meaningful so that we get to where we need to go. Each and every time, we either speak by phone, an email, in person, in a letter, whatever it may be. But clarity and clearness is key. Communication is absolutely got to be top priority number 1 when it comes to working with a lawyer. How can a lawyer represent you if they don't know your case? They don't know the facts and they haven't spoken to you. And the answer is, Captain Obvious, they can't. So you got to speak to your lawyer, and you better feel real comfortable talking to that lawyer. That lawyer's listening, they're sympathetic and empathetic. And I think it's really, really, really important. I don't care what your issue is. I don't care if you got a heroin problem, which some of my clients do. I don't care if you got an alcohol problem, which some of my clients do. I don't judge you. I advocate for you. And those that have a heroin problem or an alcohol problem, there for the grace of God go I. And I pray that I can help you to reach a point where you are sober and have sobriety and clearness and clarity in your life. To be able to be the parent you know you should be and can be and have been in the past. And we strive for that. We strive for greatness to make and help our clients get to where they know they need to go. And I always make my clients take 100% responsibility. I don't deal in excuses. I don't whine, complain, or make excuses. I only deal in results. And I am a real tough talk master. No, I'm not for everybody. I'll tell you right now, I'm not everybody's attorney. But if you come and you sign on board with me, we're going to do everything in my powers to help you to maintain your children and to be successful. Because it's all about being successful and helping people and making an impact and a difference in their lives, but even more importantly, their children's lives.